Hi there, my name is Mave, and today we are going to learn some tricky words. Let's start. The first word that we have is nariz. Nariz. Nariz means nose. Me duele la nariz, which means my nose hurts. Oh dear. The second word that we have is resfriado. Resfriado. Resfriado means cold. Tengo un resfriado gordo. I have a cold, a big cold. Oh my goddy lordy. The word that we have is pañuelo de papel. Pañuelo de papel. A long word in Spanish, a short one in English. Pañuelo de papel means tissue. Dame pañuelos de papel. Tengo un resfriado. Okay. Give me tissues. I have a cold. Oh dear. Thanks for watching Spanish Tricky Words. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like if you like my videos. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.